So and let me continue from where I stopped. I said now key A is the relative minor of what? Of key C. That means if I'm playing now, what I'm going to do on key A now, what it means that key A, if I played, I'm going to play the minor, the note I'm going to play, which will belong to A, is going to be, there's not going to be any black notes. Do you get? That is how, I want you to pay attention very well. That is how we're able to get A, that A was the natural minor of key C. Did you understand? You know, I taught you natural minor scale. Now that means this emphasis and this theory and these principles brings about the natural minor scale. Now let me do what I showed you earlier. Let me do it again. I want to get the relative minor. The relative minor is the key that shares that share the same property, the same key signature, and the same tone. Not the same tone, but the same kind of features, just like brothers and sisters, with another key entirely. The key has another feature with another key entirely. Do you get? Now, how do I know the relative minor of a key? I'm on C now. C is the most easier key. C is the key everybody can play on. I want to get the relative minor of key C. So what do? I will count 6 tones or 6 notes from key C. I'll move forward. I won't count it backward, forward. So we'll start from key C. Key C is 1, D is 2, E is 3, F is 4, G is 5, A. Now A is what? A is the La. A is 6. So this is the relative minor. A is the relative minor of C. That was why we were able to get, when we were playing the relative minor of key C. Remember I taught you the relative minor of key C is La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. That is how we were able to come with key C. If you check this scale, this is one of the scales I gave you. This is the relative minor of key C. This is what? La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. La, Ti. You can implicate this thing in another key. Don't worry, I'll show you in a bit. Now, when I stop at A, I don't want to run it from here because you cannot see. If I run it, you cannot see. You can't see this thing. You can't see it with the camera. So I want to bring it here so you can run it. This is A. It's the same thing. So I want to run it here. So now, this is what? This key, this scale I just run. You can see that there's no black key on top of it. This is La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La. So this scale now, you know, I gave you this scale as one of the C natural minor, but I didn't tell you what guides it, what brings about it. So this is the theory that this is the theory that birthed it. This is the principle that actually gave birth to it. Do you get? So now you see that I play everything white. Now this is A, this is C natural minor scale, not C minor, C natural minor scale, which is the natural minor scale is the relative minor of the key C. I want you to understand. I don't want it to confuse you. Do you get? Now, this is La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, right? On key A. Now, if you listen to this thing very well, this is La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. Now, this scale I just played now, this is A minor. Do you get? This is La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. This is already this is A minor scale. This is A minor scale. This is not. Remember I told you there's a difference between major and minor. Now, don't get confused. Let me buttress this. Now, let's go to C. Let's leave this relative minor issue. Let's go to C. Now, on key C, let's play the key C minor, not C natural minor, C minor, so that you're able to understand. You know that if there is major, there is minor. Now, C major is what? C major, watch me. C major is what? C major is Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. This is C major, right? Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Right, this is C major. Now, what about C minor? C minor is now Do, and I taught you before. Do, Re, Mo, Fa, Sol, Z, To, Do. Right? This is C natural, C minor. Do, Re, Mo, Fa, Sol, Z, To, Do. Do, Re, Mo, Fa, Sol, Ti, To, Do. Do, To, Z, Sol, Fa, Mo, Re, Do. Do, Re, Mo, Fa, Sol, Z to do, do to si so fa mo re do. This is C minor scale. This is C minor scale. Do you get? This is C minor scale. I just played the minor scale and I played the natural minor. Now A, key A, key. Now what? Let's now go back to